Powered industrial trucks are important tools used in many workplaces. They perform a variety of material handling tasks and have made it possible to handle and transport heavy loads quicker and more efficiently than ever before. But like any tool, powered industrial trucks must be operated correctly. If they're not, they can be extremely dangerous to both people and property. Every year, powered industrial truck accidents cause approximately 100 fatalities and 36,340 serious injuries in general industry and construction. Most are the result of operator error. A powered industrial truck is a complex tool. To avoid accidents, operators must have the physical and mental ability to operate these machines safely. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the basic principles of powered industrial truck safety. These principles are very important. By learning and applying them, you can help ensure your safety when operating a powered industrial truck. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration defines a powered industrial truck as any mobile, power-propelled truck used to carry, push, pull, lift, stack, or tier materials. This includes forklift trucks, pallet trucks, motorized hand trucks, and rider trucks, among other vehicles. Powered industrial trucks differ in design, load capacity, and other features. Each type has its own unique characteristics, as well as some inherent hazards. As an operator, it's important for you to familiarize yourself with the type of vehicle you will be using. You need to know where the controls and instruments are located, what they do, and how they work. You also need to know the rated load capacity of the vehicle you're driving. This information can be found on the identification plate on the vehicle or in the manufacturer's manual. In addition, you must know how to inspect your vehicle. The physical and operational condition of a powered industrial truck can change from day to day and even from shift to shift. A pre-use inspection process can help you make sure that your vehicle is in safe operating condition. To avoid accidents when operating a powered industrial truck, it's important to understand how to operate the vehicle safely. Because a powered industrial truck is a motor vehicle, operating it is, in some ways, similar to operating a car. For example, powered industrial trucks have a steering wheel, a horn, and pedals for the brakes, clutch, and accelerator, and switches that control the lights and ignition. But even though these controls are similar to those of a car, how they are used to control the vehicle and its load can be very different. The first difference is steering. When you turn the steering wheel in a car, you steer the front wheels, and the car follows its front wheels into the turn. However, when you turn the steering wheel of a powered industrial truck, which has rear steering, you steer the rear wheels. The vehicle and its load must pivot around the front axle while being swung by the steering action of its rear wheels. Rear wheel steering allows you to turn more sharply, an advantage in narrow aisles. However, this can be a disadvantage because you can quickly encounter stability problems. Powered industrial trucks can tip with little warning, possibly resulting in serious injury or damage. Another difference between operating a car and a powered industrial truck is braking. Although both sets of brakes operate in the same way, the brakes of a powered industrial truck may not be as effective as those of a car. This is because powered industrial trucks are heavy for their size. Just like driving a car, driving a powered industrial truck too fast can result in losing control of the vehicle, causing it to skid, tip over, or fall off a loading dock or other elevated surface. Failure to maintain control of the powered industrial truck can also cause the vehicle to strike an employee or stored materials, causing the material to topple and possibly injure someone. Safe operation of a powered industrial truck depends not only on understanding the vehicle, but also on understanding the operating environment. Workplace features such as surface conditions, aisle width, visibility, and the presence of pedestrian traffic can affect how this vehicle will be operated. Operators of powered industrial trucks must know precautions to take when operating on ramps and grades, when driving onto trailers, rail cars, or trucks, or when operating in hazardous locations such as closed environments. In addition, operators must take specific safety steps when handling and manipulating loads. Carrying unbalanced loads or lifting loads improperly, for example, can affect the stability of the vehicle and cause it to tip over. To help ensure safety, operators of powered industrial trucks need to drive safely at all times. They must observe all traffic regulations, including authorized plant speed limits, and regulations that apply to intersections and other locations where vision is obstructed. Stunt driving and horseplay are never permitted. Powered industrial trucks are powerful but dangerous tools. As the operator, you are responsible for the safe operation of your vehicle. This means that you need to know how to inspect the powered industrial truck, how to operate it safely in the workplace, and how to avoid injury and property damage at all times. Accidents involving powered industrial trucks happen every day, but they don't have to happen to you. This is James Drury, reminding you to take care and be safe.